You're probably wondering, if there are special methods, are there special attributes? And the answer is yes. So today's topic are special attributes or so-called magic attributes. Hello coders, welcome to my channel. I am David, your guide to mastering programming. The first special attribute that I want to show you is called name. First, I'll create a class animal, and here I want to define it, and I will create also a function, and I want to define the function as well. The difference between a special attribute and a special method is that the special attribute doesn't have the parentheses after the double underscore. So the special attribute only starts with double underscore and ends with double underscore without the need to write a parenthesis. Here I will write animal, then write dot, and here, as you can see, name special attribute is first. And I can also write func.name. And now when I print this, you expect what will be printed, the name of these two objects, which is animal and func. As you can see, animal and func are printed. But there's something very interesting with this special method. If I write just print name here, this will print me the main. As you can see, main is printed. Why it prints main? It prints main because I executed this code directly. I didn't import this module into other modules and run it. But if I import this module to another module, then this name won't print main. It will print the name of this actual module, which is lesson 39 special attributes. For example, I will show that. Here I have a helper function, and here I will simply print name, and I will import in this lesson one variables. As you can see here, I will import helper. Now, when I run this, you will see that just helper will be printed, not main. As you can see, helper is printed, not main like before. Another useful attribute, special attribute, is docstring. This docstring is the string with triple quotes that starts before you write something in your function or your class. For example, here if I write triple and here write something, class docstring, and here write func docstring. Now when I run this, you will see these two printed. Also, I want to mention that it's important that the docstring is the first line after the definition, I mean the name of your function or your class. If I write here, for example, just print 3 and write another triple line, func docstring 2, you will see that this won't be printed. You may have noticed, but these two greens aren't the same. They have a different tone. This is a little bit darker. Now when I run this, as you can see, class docstring is printed and func docstring is printed. The func docstring 2 is not printed, as I have told you it won't be. Another useful attribute is annotation attribute, which stores the type hints. So for example, here I will write this arrow and none means that this function should return none. And if I write here annotations, and write annotations for my class as well and run this, you will see I have nothing in my class, which is right. I don't have anything. But here in my function annotations, I want to return none, which is nothing. There are many special attributes and I won't list them all, but if you want to learn about them all, I will have the link in the description below. So feel free to check it. I hope you found this video helpful. Like and subscribe for more coding content. See you in my next video. Until then, keep coding.